Hi honeys, welcome back. In today's video will be my very first teeny tiny vlog as well as a tutorial on how I bleach my hair. Without saying too much, to all my new subscribers, welcome, and all those who are returning, thanks for tuning back in. I hope you all enjoy the video. You're gonna need a bleaching kit. I bought the one they have at Dischem, which is the New Light bleaching kit. I prefer you buy the refill kit rather than the normal bleach powder and the volume liquid, because then if you're looking at costs, it's gonna cost you more than if you were to buy it with the original kit itself. And this one is a refill kit, so I don't know how it's gonna look like, because throughout all the times I've been bleaching my hair, I've been using the little box and the liquid separately. Like, I bought them separately. So yeah, let me just open it. Okay, so inside the box you're gonna find your powder. Here it is. It's like, it's not much. I don't know why they have this in. But anyway, here is gonna be your powder, the bleaching powder you're going to be using, as well as your volume, your cream peroxide. Because I wanted to dye my hair a little lighter than my usual blonde, I will not only be using the 30 volume peroxide, which I feel like is safe for everyone. I'm going to be using half of this, and I bought another cream peroxide, which is the 40 volume, and I'll be mixing them together just so I do not get the harshness of this one as much and not the yellowness of the 30 volume at the same time. Before starting, I make sure I remove anything I feel like bleach could potentially damage, as well as comb my hair thoroughly to enable all areas for the bleach to go in. Not forgetting my container and something to mix with. I mix thoroughly, making sure that my mixture is creamy and there are no lumps. This, my honeys, is a safety procedure I use. Vaseline on my skin so that I do not get any bleach onto it, as well as my ears. Like, bleach can really get into your ears. You guys would be surprised, hore, how come, why? Like, your ears will burn. The bleaching kit itself comes with plastic gloves. If you're a person who's really worried about their hands, rather use a rubber and use the plastic over. I'm just going to be using the plastic because I like taking risks, you know. It gives me that rush. So I'll be just using the plastic ones, and I'll be now applying the bleach. Personally, just put it randomly, making sure that all my sides are covered. Most importantly, the parts that have hair. So you will see that I'm going to be really applying it onto the parts that have the most hair. Make sure you do not rub this in like this. It really burns. It really burns. Like, you're really going to feel it. But don't give up on the process. Carry on applying the bleach until you are secure with the amount you have on your head and you are satisfied. The key to bleaching is just making sure that you have as much coverage and heat around the bleach area as possible. So with that, I'll be using this plastic wrap, this cling wrap, before I apply a plastic bag over my head.
Hour later.
Before washing off my hair, I make sure that all the bleach is gone by rinsing it, and I'll be using my organics shampoo as well as the conditioner. I won't lie, I wasn't happy with the results I got, so I did something. I color conditioned my hair with the Enicto hair color conditioner, as well as mix it with my original organics conditioner. A mistake I made with this was to use my bare hands to apply the conditioner without having to put gloves on. But don't you worry, if you make the same mistake, to just use some sanitizer and a brush and rinse it off. It will be gone within seconds. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you honeys next time. Bye.